In this video, you will learn how to use Vena's Building Materials Excel template to automatically calculate your total material costs to better plan your business operations. This free template includes instructions and was built using best practices to help you save time when performing your analysis. The use case for this template is manufacturing and production, where it calculates the amount of materials needed to manufacture a product and also provides a total cost of the required materials. The first step is to open the template in Microsoft Excel. Once open, you'll see the first tab contains a clear set of instructions on how to use the template. Let's say we have a sauce company. Let's configure the product list to match our business. Instead of all products, let's write all sauces. Instead of product category 1, let's write soy sauce. Instead of product category 2, let's write tomato sauce. And lastly, let's replace product category 3 with hot sauce. Now let's configure the material list. Let's put in water, salt, sugar, oil, and spices. Now let's go over to the Product Construction tab. And here we can start inputting the information we need for our calculations. In this section, we can input the configuration of the products using the list of materials. Then under that, we can input the predicted price of each material across the whole year. And then the total monthly cost of each product is calculated down below. Now let's switch over to the next sheet. Here we can view 3 different charts. The first one describes the distribution of the materials. The second one shows the distribution of the material costs. And the third one shows the total monthly material costs to produce the product. The drop-down here at the top controls what information is sent through the charts, depending on what product they select. Let's go ahead and select soy sauce. Then we can input the monthly predicted production limit across this row, and then the total materials required and the total material cost for the year will be calculated and ready to use in our future business processes. If you would like to customize the design of the template, you can click Page Layout in Excel and then click Themes to select a different theme. You could also change the appearance of cells by clicking Home and then Cell Types. And that's it. That's how you can use this free Excel template to automatically calculate and visualize your total material cost across different months and products. To download this free template and all of our other Excel and Power BI templates, head on over to venasolutions.com/templates.